Buying a new construction home in Charleston? Why, you'll want your own real estate agent. When you're house hunting, the allure of a new construction is undeniable. Even if it seems easy to sign an agreement with the on-site builder's agent, stop. You're gonna want someone representing your side of the deal. Builder's agent versus real estate agent? What is a builder's agent? When buying new construction, the home's builder is considered the seller. The agent representing the builder is considered the builder's agent. The builder/seller's agent will always have the builder's best interests in mind. Why should you hire your own real estate agent? Your real estate agent's job is to help you get the most value for your money with the least hassle and frustration. When buying new construction, your real estate agent will help you negotiate any extras. Want upgraded countertops? How about appliances in that new home? Your agent can help you get all the perks, amenities, and upgrades. Recommending financing. Your real estate agent can make sure you're getting the mortgage that works best for your situation. Your agent will be overseeing what's called a home inspection. The builder is unlikely going to offer up or even push for a home inspection, so it's up to your real estate agent to make it happen. When you're ready to buy a new construction home in Charleston, give me a call and let's get together and negotiate your new home. I'm Ryan McHugh with Jeff Cook Real Estate, 843-226-5535, or see properties now at www.buyfromry.com.